Hey guys, I'm gonna be riding my bike down this hill I'm on. So let's go. Woo! Oh, going in fast. There's a red truck right next to me. The camera's not zooming in good or out, so things are gonna look way farther away when they're right next to me. Like Angelica, she's right in front of me, but looks like she isn't. Here we go. Let's go.
Living there anymore?
Yeah. Ooh. We can run away for the weekend. He's riding from me. Is that here?
Trevor, should we do the night routine tonight?
Yeah. So, earlier this morning, we did a morning routine. It's going to be our first morning routine. I didn't put it on YouTube yet. But the title might be Trevor's and Angelica's first morning routine. This one is done by Angelica. The camera's upside down. This one is done by Angelica. I won't be doing one. I'm her filmer for most of the time. I'm her brother. Sometimes I'll be doing videos of me. We do makeup tutorials, outfit tutorials, hair tutorials, hair and outfit tutorials, hair and makeup tutorials, outfit and hair tutorials, outfit and makeup tutorials, and hair, outfit, and makeup tutorials. We'll be doing a makeup, outfit, and hair tutorial tonight.
And our night routine.
And maybe a night routine with Angelica.
Trevor, you're not in any of the videos.
And our colors for the makeup and hair and outfit will be green and blue. And hope you have fun watching them. So we're gonna finish with the bike ride. I have to start pedaling, let go of the camera for a while, and then I'll grab it again. So just bear with me. Let's go.
No.
Okay, let's go.
Going up the hill. My t-shirt.
Okay. Okay, we're back to the bike ride. It's a nice day. It's not too sunny. It looks really sunny on the camera. It's overcast. The bird over there, vulture, you can't see it, but and it's just a really nice day. There's it's overcast. It's a little windy, not too much. It's sunny. Grass is green. Mowed our lawn last night. Very short now and beautiful. Our neighbors apparently mowed their lawn the other day, not too long ago, but it's pretty long now. These neighbors mowed their lawn, I don't know, about 5 days ago. They mowed their lawn yesterday. And yeah. So let's finish with the